10 years of being undercover, we have never seen such consistent, constant abuse to a newborn baby animal. Fair Oaks Farm is the largest dairy in the United States. They have created a joint venture with the Coca-Cola Corporation. The difference between Fair Oaks Farm's dairy adventure and the reality of the dairy industry is night and day. Everything is a lie. The only training that our investigator was trained on at Fair Oaks Farms was make sure you take the back road when you have dead calves in your transport.